Check, check, check. 1, 2. Oh. What up, Just Ain't Right? No, man, I have not been streaming. I've been out of town. I have been moving all my stuff to my new house. I've just been really busy lately. I haven't even had time to stream probably in the past month if I had to put a time limit on it. It's been about a month since I've streamed last, if I had to take a guess. What's been going on with you, man? How's everything been? Hope everything's been all right with you. Hope all is well. Sorry, I ain't even got nothing set up yet. I ain't got nothing set up yet, man. Oh, the New York today? I did well today. Not the open of the New York, but the ass end, like around 11 o'clock. I did fairly well. I didn't trade the New York Open though. Oh man. Look, I split my screen. There we go. This one I need to put under gold. GCJ6. Jeez, come on. GCJ6. There we go. Let's do a 60-minute. No, let's do a 120. Do a 120 on both of these. All right. Alright, where are we at? So this is Apex. Over here I have take profit. This is a take profit eval, but then I got my take profit pro. Nasdaq. I don't even have orb drawn yet. I gotta figure out which account I'm gonna trade first. Gold, 5 minute on gold. I do have orb drawn on gold. So I won't touch gold because it's inside an orb. So let's get a 15-minute orb on Nasdaq. It's 5 o'clock. Alright, so we're completely above orb on NQ. of sucks. I don't know. I may not make any trades right now. Just gonna wait and see. Pull this out as far as I can. So how you been overall? You've been trading well? So it looks like we're in a sell on gold. Nasdaq, I'm not quite sure. Let's do a smaller time frame. Let's do a 30-minute time frame on NQ. We're in demand on Nasdaq, so I might take a long on NQ on my Apex account. I'm not gonna copy trade. I'm gonna do this big account. I'm gonna do probably 3 micros.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'll do 3 micros on this account here. I do have this one, this one, this one, and this one set up for a 4 copy trade 4 accounts, but I don't see nothing right now to where it makes me want to copy trade. So I'm just gonna let this 3 micro run its course. Why going long on Nasdaq? Because see this 30-minute time frame here, we had a demand zone print here. So when a demand zone prints these blue lines, you see what happens? This blue line here got printed and went up. So we have another demand zone print. We'll probably head up to the price of 957, which was yesterday's true day open. So we'll go up to like 957 and then find some resistance there. Or we could blow past 957 and head to the supply area, which a lot of times it does. When you have a demand print, it shoots to the supply zone that's right before it, which is this guy right here. So we'll probably go up to 957, make a pit stop here, probably consolidate a little bit, and then shoot up to like 25.011, if not higher. So that's why I'm long on Nasdaq right now. And we'll do a 1 minute on the micro, and then the full size we'll keep 15 minutes. Yes, sir. No problem. No problem. I trust those supply and demand zones. That's a pretty good indicator that I've been using for closely about a year. If I would have got in with 3 full sizes, I would have been up $460 instead of $46. And that would have been a nice lift. That would have been a nice hit. Israel. That's a great name. That is a great name, my friend. So, if I would have been in with 3 full sizes, I'd have been up 1,000. I'm gonna go ahead and put a stop right here. Oh, my bad. I'm already in an ATM. Hold on. Here's my ATMs right here. There we go. I forgot I already had brackets set up. So I got a 15-minute candle on this side here for NQ. And I'm gonna play with the 1 minute on this side. Wagwan, what's up, buddy? Yeah, I've been away for a while, man. It's been about a month. I've been super busy. I've been dealing with my new house. Been on vacation a few times. Kind of just enjoying life, really. Been traveling. I've been trading, but I just haven't been streaming. How have you been? How has everything been, man? Yeah, I put a few shorts out here and there. Few shorts out. Oh man, I had a great week last week. I got what was last week? I got a few payouts last week. Paid some bills. Bought some stuff for my new house. So not too bad overall. Made a couple dollars on my take profit accounts. Got a couple dollars on this one. Here's just a regular. Here's an eval. I made 680 earlier on this eval, so I'm not touching this today. I made like $100 earlier on this Take Profit Pro account. So I may or may not trade this account tonight. I might just wait till tomorrow for the New York session to trade a little bit more on this one. But I want to focus on this $300,000 account for Apex. Oh. I blew a bunch of accounts last week as well. I had a $300,000 Apex funded account, and I had like 3 $25,000s and a 50,000. Well, I was copy trading all of them, and I made one stupid mistake, and I blew every account. So that kind of hurt. That hurt. But it happens, you know. You blow them and you make them. That's about the circle of life. It's the circle of life. I really wasn't going to stream tonight, but my wife is off and I was bored. So here I am. And Nasdaq looked like it's going to come back down and hit my stop here. It's probably only going to be like a $40 winning trade if it does. We'll see. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. You gonna gonna touch it? What you gonna do? It's gonna go up. I don't even know why I had that there. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take that off. Let's go over here and look at the not gold. Let's look at Nasdaq. NQ is for sure going to push up tonight. Most definitely. I say minimum 962. Minimum. Gold, I don't know what gold's doing. Gold's in the middle of a supply and demand. So gold can either break supply or use supply as the resistance, feel all the orders fall down to this demand zone down here, which is about 30 points. So gold's tricky right now. I'll play gold if it gets outside of orb, like it did here. I had a couple plays right here with gold earlier. All right, gold's fall. I mean, NQ is falling. I don't know. It may find support on this EMA, or it might come down to this EMA here. Another 10 points. Gold's dropping as well. But it's only 5 minutes. Go with 30 minutes, see what happens. 30 minute on Nasdaq. We are turning red. You know what? I'm going to make a scalp on full size. I'm going to short a full size NQ.
Order filled.
See if I can't make a couple dollars. Oh, that's 15 minutes. There we go. Put a buy right there. That'll be just shy of $200. Pull it up a little bit. There we go. See if we can't get that. Can we get it? Make an equal low and then a bounce. That would make sense. Fall down, equal lows, falls to this exponential moving average, which I think is a 200 period. Yeah, the green is a 200 period exponential. The blue's a 300. So I think we'll fall, try to hit this EMA here, and then bounce from that. But I don't know. We'll see. I looked on YouTube because I really didn't want to stream, to be honest with you. But I was looking on YouTube and nobody's streaming tonight. So I'm like, hey, let me stream. Why not? Maybe I'll get a decent crowd. So far, not too bad, man. 7 people. Appreciate y'all. Come on. Give it to me. Not quite 200.
Order filled.
Not quite $200, but I mean, was that like 150? I'm happy with that. And I still got the micros running. I'm down on the micros. But I do think we're going to bounce off of these EMAs here, especially on this 30 minute. This 30 minute EMA, that should hold us. Unless it just tanks, then I'll end it. Back down we go. Ask me, what's up, buddy? Yeah. What is this? Apex just sent me some. Apex program integrity, equal enforcement, and recent actions. Let's see what this says. Dear Apex Trader, Apex Trader Funding is committed to protecting the integrity, sustainability, and fairness of our program. That responsibility requires transparency, consistency, and decisive action when abuse is identified. Over the past several months, we have strengthened our monitoring systems, increased transparency, and taken enforcement actions where necessary. This communication explains what has occurred, why it has occurred, and what it means for all traders moving forward. Strengthen through structure. In December of 2025, Apex completed the rollout of advanced automated monitoring systems designed to A. Monitor all account daily rule violations, issue next day violation alerts, improve enforcement consistency, and eliminate subjectivity and delay. Although activated in December, reportedly capabilities allow us to review historical data dating back through early of 2025, in addition to ongoing daily activity. Previously, enforcement often occurred during payout, blah, 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 blah. I don't want to read it all. We already know what they're talking about. Watch we go back to the base. What do you mean the base? You mean the low of the day? Let's see. Let's go to 120. Maybe, I don't know. 854? I think it's just a slight pullback. I don't think it's going to be nothing to be worried about. I think we'll find our support around this area, honestly. Thai shares due for profit taking. Okay. All right, so let's get a little full-size action. Why don't we? Let's do a one.
Order filled.
Let's do a one Nasdaq and still maintain my 3 micros here. What's gold doing? Gold's still with an orb, so I'm not going to touch it yet. I'll put a stop loss. I'll do $1,000 stop loss. Why not? I'll do $1,000 stop loss, and then I'll put a TP up here. Does this dude really think this strategy is going to work with Apex? What do you mean by that? Michael. What you mean? What you mean by that? Quite sure. Please elaborate, my friend. Before you elaborate, let me go use the restroom. I'll be right back. Yeah, but you see, this is a what they call these. This is an evaluation, so it doesn't matter. And actually, I wasn't hedging. I never went short ever. The only thing that you see that's short is my ATM bracket. This is a stop loss. So I'm not hedging at all. But even if I wanted to hedge, this is an evaluation. Apex don't care about hedging on evals, but I am not hedging. All you see is a stop loss down here and a take profit up here. And you're correct. When you have a PA account, a performance account, if you hedge, you go short on micros and long on Nasdaq on full sizes, they violate you, and then you have to trade an extra 8 days without any violations to request a payout. So, yeah, I know the rules, man. I've been trading with Apex for about 7 years. I've had plenty of payouts, I've had plenty of fuck ups, right? As you can see here, this is my 537th evaluation just with Apex. So I've been playing the game for quite some time. I used to hedge before they even made it a violation. That's something brand new. Oh, my back hurts. No, I'm not short. I'm long on both. If you look right here, this is a green 3. That means I'm long 3, and this is a green 1. I'm long 1. I'm long on 1 full size, and I'm long 3 on micros. I'm not short anything right now, and you can't trade gold with Apex right now. So I'm not trading gold. I could trade gold with my take profit, because take profit trader allows you to trade gold, but I'm not going to trade gold because we're still within the orb here. See, these are my take profit counts. So I'm not touching gold until it breaks the 15-minute opening range breakout. Excuse me. And I didn't mean to sound like an asshole earlier. I'm just letting you know that I'm not hedging. But if I wanted to hedge on eval, I could. It's not against the rules on evaluation to hedge. No, I'm long on NQ until tomorrow. Oh, no. My bad. No. If I said that, that was an accident. Oh, I short. Believe me, I shorted. I like shorting the market better than going long. No, but yeah, I short. I shorted gold earlier. Did I short gold earlier? Let me see. No, I was long on gold earlier. See, I bought at 513, got out at 514, bought at 515, 519, 525, and sold at 27 and 30. So I was long on gold when it went up. So I made a few dollars on gold. On this is the take profit accounts. Of course, you can't trade gold on Apex right now. Hey man, get them payouts. Hell yeah. Any money's good money. I don't care if it's $100. They have days where I make $100, $200. I'm like, I'm requesting it. Give it to me. I'm requesting it. I'll take it. Shit, yeah. I made on my personal account. I made like $200 yesterday, and I withdrew the $200 today on my own trading account. All right, so this kind of blows, right? I'm thinking Nasdaq goes up, and it's constantly just falling right now. Let me go look at a smaller time frame. Maybe I'm missing something. Let's go to 60 minutes. Supply, jump back to supply, fell into demand. Yeah, I think it's just, right now, I think NQ is just trying to just like find its grounding. But I don't think we're going to come back down to this demand zone. I'm thinking we push up a little higher. I could be wrong. Could be wrong. I might be wrong, honestly. But I'm just going to hold the long position until I feel like, you know, I'm in enough drawdown where I don't want to be in this drawdown no more. But I think we're going up on NQ. Feel like a 25-minute. My kids are being crazy, so I yell at them real quick. I'll be right back. Go yell at my children. Oh, my bad. If you don't get in the room and sit down in the bed with get Oh, these kids are gonna drive me insane. These kids are gonna be the cause of my heart attack, I promise you. I'm gonna have a stroke with these children. Alright. Where we at? Down 270 on the full size and down 130 on the micros. Okay, now this isn't looking good with the EMAs crossing each other. The 7 periods crossing the 200, which means we'll probably come down to 879. But we'll use 879 as a support. So I'm going to leave my micros. I'm going to close the full size.
Order filled.
And I'm going to go heavier just to make that money back. Let's
Order filled.
5 full sizes. I'm going to short. Now I'm hedging. I'm long micro and I'm short full size. Come on. A little bit more, baby. Come on. You know you want to fall just a little bit more for me. Come on. No. You don't want to fall a little bit more? Now it's going to skyrocket. Watch. Skyrockets in flight. Woo! Afternoon delight. Maybe not. Afternoon delight. Give it a minute. I think it's going to hold it. I think it's going to hold it down. Come on. Come on. Fall. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it falling. Let's go. I'm down 700 total. Down 100 on my micros and 700 on the full size. I'm going to hold the full size just a little longer. Give it a chance to breathe. 5 full sizes might have been a little too heavy. Maybe I should have went with like 2 or 3. But we'll see. We'll play it by ear. If it gets to 1,000, I'm going to close it. Negative $1,000, I'll close this play out. And damn it. There it is. I'm out.
Order filled.
Negative 1,300 on that play. It's all right. No, they don't care if you hedge on evals. I do it all the time. You're in the thousands? What? I thought I had it back. I want to make that $1,000 up. I need to make that $1,000 back. All right, here we go. You ready? 20 positions. Go.
Order filled.
20 full size in queues. Push it. Of course, this is an evaluation, guys. This isn't a funded account, so I can afford to blow it if necessary. Well, I mean, I don't want to blow it, but if it happens, it happens. What's my drawdown? 5,600. Okay, I'm all right. I'm okay right. Too bad I can't trade gold, man. I'd be going in with like 15, 20 golds. For real. I really don't want to freaking pay for another eval, but I will if I have to. I will if I have to. We might start to head up. Who knows? I don't see any supplies or demands on Nasdaq. We'll see. I'm gonna let it ride. I ain't gonna put a stop loss. I'm gonna copy trade these other accounts as well. I got these other 4 evals. I'm gonna go in with just 4 micros. That means 1 micro across 4 accounts. So that's 1 micro. And you can't have ATMs. So you have to, boom.
Order filled.
There we go. All right. So let's go over here to go to accounts. So I'm copy trading these four accounts. This one here, this one, and this one. And then this is the 300,000 I'm trading by itself. So let me take this off. Go back to this one. All right, what we got 4,100 in drawdown left until it goes up, because it's going to go up. I have faith in Nasdaq going high. And all I need's like $2,000 just to get back to my $7,500 buffer. So I'll be happy with $3,000, $4,000 at the most. Come on, Nasdaq. Push for daddy. Push for daddy. Push it up for daddy. Let's go see what gold's doing. I'm going to go back to my take profit here. All right, gold's starting to push back up to the middle of orb. To the magical opening range breakout. Had a liquidity grab candle here with the 5 minutes. That's actually bearish until it's not. All right, back to Apex. Back to Apex. I might buy another Apex account, another $300,000, and just full port it. Let me get my phone. Let me get my telephono. Damn, I wish Apex would freaking let me trade gold, man. So aggravating. Of course, I gotta put my 2FA in. 829453. 4, 5, 3. Ah, here we go. Let's go to Trade of 8, $300,000 account, coupon Tiger. We'll request that there. $40. $40 for a $300,000 account. You can't beat that. I was about to call my credit card number out. I don't want to do that. Y'all might replay it and take my damn credit card number. That would not be good. That would not be good. Alright, so now I got that lined up. Let me send. I gotta unlock my credit card. So much stuff to do just to buy something. It's ridiculous. Alright, there we go. And subscribe and pay. Alright. So I just purchased another $300,000 account. And I'm just going to full port this one. Right? Just got 35 positions. Not right away. Of course, I'm going to find a great entry point. But, so let's see. When it does generate, it's going to be 539. So it's going to be at 539. It might take a couple minutes. Who knows? I should have exited when I was up there. Come on. I just want to get my $7,500 in drawdown back. See, I'm at 5,200 in drawdown. I wanted to get to 7,500. Go up, you little POS. 61, 65, 65. So another 1,100. Another 1,100 bucks up here. Let's go right there. That should give me the 7,500 bucks. Push. 56, 52. Oh, now I'm in the red. Come on, Nasdaq. Bullshit. Bullshit. You can see it's holding it here on this these multiple exponential moving averages. Let's go to 30-minute. Oh, it's fixing to go higher. NQ's fixing to pop. So I'm good. I'm good with these. I'm good with this. Let me bring this up a little bit. All right, so 38 to 39 should generate now. 39 should generate. Let's see. Yep, 39. There we go. All right, we're going to full port it. 35 positions. See what I can do. Y'all ready? 35.
Order filled.
All right, let's get it. I'm going to stay in it. It's going to blow it or it's going to go up. Let's go. Ugh. Oh, my back hurts. Shit. Ugh. I need to stand up, yo. My freaking lower back. I got sciatic issues. So sitting down for a long period of time really screws my lower back up. And I can feel it all the way down my freaking my hamstring, the back of my quads to my freaking my toes and shit. It hurts. It's really painful. Ugh. Really is painful. Come on now, let's go up a little bit for me at least. Give me a couple dollars. We'll do 7 points. I'll be happy with 7 points at 35 positions. I'm only down 1,000 on this one still. I might blow both of them. Who knows? Not that I want to. Come on now. I'm gonna get rid of this micro. Just show the full size. 2,500 in drawdown. Come on. Come on now. Be nice to daddy. Let's see where the other account's at. Oh, this one's almost blown. $2,000 more and this one's blown. Shit, that ain't good. Yep, 2,300, 2,500. It's gonna blow. I'd be surprised if it don't blow, honestly. There it goes. 8 grand, 8 grand.
Order filled.
8 grand. Blew it. That's all right. Worth a shot, I guess, right? Now I gotta check the other account. The other account's about to get blown too. Yep. $700 in drawdown left. I might as well let this one ride out. All right, I'll buy one more 300. That's it. No more 300s for the rest of the night. Because this one's about to blow too. You see, I only have $800 left to draw down on it. It's starting to come up a little bit. Ah. Card out. There we go.
Order filled.
Ah, that one got me too? Shit. Damn. Two freaking 300,000 accounts. Alright. Enough playing around. I'm gonna focus. Shit. Alright. Duplicate. I hate when it does that. Duplicate. Close the website out. Restart the website. I'm down $25 on my copy trades. Down 30 on these. Alright. Let me retry that one more time with Apex. I don't know why it gave me a duplicate code. It does that sometimes. I don't know, y'all ever seen that when you go to checkout and it says duplicate and it don't accept the order? There we go. It took that one. Alright. So we'll wait for number 540 to populate. But in the meantime, let's go do a full size on these 4 accounts here. So it's 4 accounts. We'll do 2 per account. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So we'll type in 8.
Order filled.
8 full sizes across 4 accounts. Go, go, go. Grab it. Go. Go. There it is. Oh, there it was.
Order filled.
Boom. Got it. That was $640 across 4 accounts. So 540 should populate by now. Let's see. Yep, 540. There it is. A brand new $300,000 account. So let's take that off. We'll close this out. And we'll go to full size NQ. I think we're going to push up higher, so we'll go 25 positions.
Order filled.
We'll put a sell right there. And break it down a little bit. Just to get it filled, just to get $1,000 on the books. It's gonna be a little over $1,000, but let's just get it. You can't pass these big accounts on the Asian sector. You can pass them on the New York. There's all the big volatility, this and that, blah, blah, blah. Up 800, 13, 16, 1600, 800. Oh, come on. You could have bought it. The bid was there, but the ask wasn't there. Alright, I'm not even going to look at this no more. I want to go look at gold for a second. Gold's back down to lower orb. Shark, what up, man? Where's copper at? I don't know. I don't got the I don't have the metrics to trade three things, bro. Between gold and Nasdaq, my mind's filled. You know what I'm saying? I do want to make a little bit more on this account though tonight. This one right here. Go to a higher time frame, kind of weed out all this. Might be a 2-bar reversal. So I'm gonna go long on Nasdaq on my take profit account here, just to get a few more dollars.
Order filled.
Not that I really need it tonight, but I just want to get it. I want to get like 100 more. So 5 points up.
Order filled.
Uh-oh, something filled. Oh, I think it was over here. Okay. The full size with the 25 full size got filled. Performance. One trade. Buy and a sell. So I broke it down. It sold one and then it sold 24. So it's 2 trades. So 2,000. Minus the commissions. $80 on commissions. 540. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a decent amount of evals, huh? Well, I mean, that's over the span of 7 years, so I mean, it's not that much. It's a lot, but it's not a lot. If that was like over a course of 2 years, I would say, yeah, something's not right. But that's 7 years worth of me playing with the markets. All right.
Order filled.
Nice. My take profit. Boom. Just got it. I was at 600 in equity, or like 6 something. Now I'm at 765 in equity. Yep, 765. Yep. Boom. Good to go. This account I haven't traded yet. Let me make sure all these are closed. Go back to gold here. All right, so I'm good on the take profit accounts tonight. Now I just need to focus on these accounts that I have going right now. I'm up $6 on them. Let me get in with a full size. Shit on that. Oh, well, it's full. I gotta go 4.
Order filled.
Oh, shit, wrong account. That's all.
Order filled.
Now I'm copying 1 full size across 4 accounts. And then this last one, I'm in with 8. Shit, I'm with 8. 8 full sizes, okay. I don't know how that happened. How did I go in with 8 full sizes? Well, hopefully it works out. Natural gas? Nah, I used to trade it. I don't trade it anymore. Might come down a little bit more before it goes up. But I think we're good right here. We have support here, support in this general area here, which coincides with this came up to be resistance. Right now we're slightly above it, so it's demand zone at this point. Same thing on this wick here. It was support. I mean, it was resistance. Now it is demand. Same thing. It was support. Now you can see this line here. We're above it, so it's demand zone. So we're good. Longs on Nasdaq look to be pretty good, as long as you're not in too heavy. If you can withstand a little bit of drawdown. Nasdaq's a sell? I don't know, man. Pretty sure Nasdaq's a buy. I think NQ is going to be a buy overall. You might have a little dip down here and there, but between now and tomorrow, I think NQ is going up. $24,700. I don't know, man. We'll see. We'll see. How's natural gas going? Oh, why you can't make this smaller? Yeah, I'm gonna get out of it. I just wanted to get and make a few dollars on it. I don't expect it to go to the moon, but I just want to get a few pennies on it. You know what I'm saying? I could have sold it. I could have got out right there, honestly. No, I don't want to be in a group trade. I just want to trade this one. That's where I messed up. I was in with 4, and then I went in with another 4 because I was group trading the other 4 accounts. That's where I got 8 full sizes. Come on, go up, go up. There we go. No, no, go up. Go up. There we go. There we go. Push it. Push it. %100% in a week. Nice. Good shit. Just sell it already.
Stop filled.
Jesus. All right, back to the copy trading accounts. Do I have micros on this one as well? Yeah, I do have micros running on these. And full sizes. So I gotta be careful with the full sizes. What? Oh, no, no, 35, 4. Yeah, I got what you're saying.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. All right, need 1,300 more to pass these accounts. I'll do that tomorrow for the New York session. I know I'm not gonna do it tonight. I know that. Let's go check these accounts out over here. See what gold's doing. gold's breaking down. If we can sustain below the orb, as well as this 300 period exponential, I'm going to short gold. But we have to break below that blue line, which is the 300 period exponential, because I can hold it at the support level, honestly. Let's go look at gold on my charts here. So we're in between a demand and a supply on a 2 hour. Kind of looks like a sell on a 5 hour. A demand zone on a 4 hour, really? Huh. Well, I might just have to get in long on gold. All the way up to 5060. I don't know, it's kind of iffy because of the we're below orb. I might have to get in long on gold. I might do a full size. Shit, let's just do a full size. Fuck it. What's my drawdown? 1400? Means I got 14 points. You know what? I'll do a micro gold. I won't do a full size. I'll do a micro. I don't know. It's kind of looking like it does want to fall in the meantime. I'm gonna sell.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell a micro. Just for a little bit of money, not much. It's a 4 hour gold chart here. Got a decent trend line going. Gold may want to fall for a little bit. I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell gold.
Order filled.
Take a chance. Take a chance on a short. Not for much, just for a little bit more than a point. It's a 1 minute. Let's go to a 5 minute. Let me take off that fill. You know what? Let's go lower. Why not? Let's see if gold could drop just a little bit for me. All right, nice little half a point move down. I'm not sure what to make of gold right at this point. I'm hoping it just pops down a little bit. We'll see. Since it's still at bottom of orb, basically, it's still within the orb, it could revert back up. So this is a very risky play. And it's not looking too good for me. I'm down 180. Down 200. And then my micro golds, I'm down 16. Yeah. I'm going to exit the full-size gold.
Order filled.
I don't want to lose on gold. Damn it. Damn it. All right, let's go back to these accounts. Still up a tad bit on these. All right. I want to keep an eye on gold, honestly. What is gold doing? Besides pissing me off. I think gold's gonna probably start falling. It's going back up to this exponential moving average. But that was on a 1 minute, so you really can't trust a 1 minute. Or can you?
Order filled.
There we go. Nothing to it but to do it, y'all. Let's go. 3 full-size golds. At about 2 points, 2-point fall, that'd be $600. Well, just shy of 600. Ain't gonna be a full 600. Get it. Get it. Buy it. Buy them, baby. Buy them, baby. Buy them. Oh, come on. You were right there. You were right there. Why not? 270, 300. 270, 300. $700. Go. A little bit more. A little bit more. Go. Go. Fall. Fall. A half of a point. A half of a point. Let's Let's go. Ah. Oh, come on, gold. You serious? Back to break even. Can't believe it. I should have just exited. Should have just frickin' exited the damn play. When it was staying at 300, I should have just frickin' pressed exit market. Come on, gold. You got it. Fall. Ah, shit. Come on, gold. I should exit now. I shouldn't even play with it. Am I winning? Overall, yes. Right now, no. I can't tell. Overall, I'm winning. This specific play, I'm not winning. And this is a heavy play on gold. With this account size, with this little bit of drawdown that I got. 700 bucks in drawdown. I should close it out here and just wait for the New York Open to trade this account. I think that's what I'm going to do. Because this is not making me happy. When gold stays still and moves up 2 points and down 1 point and up a point, then down 2 points. Look, now I'm down 700 bucks. $300 in frickin' drawdown left. Now I feel like I have to hold it. No, I'm in a short. I'm short in gold right now. Like a fucking idiot. I'm hoping it comes down a little bit more so I can get a little bit of drawdown back. But it might not. It might just skyrocket and blow this account.
Stop filled.
What the hell was that? Come on, gold, just fall. 277 left. $810. 277. 307. Come on, fall. 247. No, I don't have a job. This is all I do. This is all, and I'm not doing a good job at it right now. If it gets back into negative 700s, I'm closing. That way I can save this drawdown for tomorrow's open. Just fall. There you go. Nope. I can repair this account tomorrow morning if it falls here. But it's gotta fall here. I don't like when gold's at a fucking standstill. I hate it. This is the worst trading. This ain't even trading. This is just being stupid. Why'd I short gold? Because when I got in, it was pretty much looking like it was going to be a pretty good fall from the position I was looking at. But at this position, it isn't looking too well. I wonder what did the stop fill. That must have been on my Apex accounts. One of these accounts got stop filled. I'm up 22 on all of these accounts. Come on, gold. See, I should have just been in with like 6 or 7 micros. I'd been fine. But going in with the full sizes, man, it's rough playing full size golds when the market isn't moving, right? Because when the market's moving on gold or any asset, you can tell pretty much the direction it's going to go in. But when you trade in the Asian session and it gets to these slow points, it's ball busting. It's not good when you're in a heavy position size. I shouldn't be in with 3 full-size golds at this time of the day, at this time of the night. I just shouldn't be. It's not good practice at all. My main strategy is playing the orb, the 15-minute open and range breakout. Now I might luck up and this trade fall into where I need it to go, but it was a gamble of a trade to begin with. So my strategy is the orb, 15-minute orb. Sometimes I do a 30-minute orb, but most of the time I do a 15-minute orb. All right, getting my drawdown back, so I'm happy. My advice would be stick to one trading style and keep it at that. If you can learn to trade orb consistently without making any kind of incremental changes, you're going to win 90% of the time. All right, I got $787 in drawdown left, so I'm good. I'm back to being where I need to be, but it's not currently where I need to be. It's hard to explain, but there's plenty of YouTube videos about the orb strategy. Just go on YouTube, type in orb, and I have videos on my YouTube channel about orb. But there's so many other better people that can explain it better than I do. Basically, this box that I have drawn here is the first 15 minutes of the day, right? So this green candle is 5 o'clock. So I got the top here, and I got the bottom drawn here. So you wait for a break of it, and then a retest, and then you take the position, whether it's at the top or it's at the bottom. But like I said, 90% of the time it works. So it means 10% of the time that it won't work. So as you can see here, it broke orb down here, but it closed back in orb, right? So you're still touching orb. This would have been a fake out, because right here I probably would have went short and got stopped out, right? So it works sometimes, right? It doesn't work every time. Nothing's 100% on the stock market. You got to take the good with the bad, basically. I'll be right back. I didn't do a stock. I'm doing gold. I do gold and Nasdaq. That's all I do. Sometimes I'll mess with copper, sometimes I'll mess with silver, but my trading is pretty much gold and Nasdaq. That's it. I'm still up green on these accounts here. I'm gonna close these out. I'm going to close these out, y'all.
Order filled.
Well, now I got to go to each individual one and close out.
Order filled. Order filled.
I mean, I could just click. Oh, no, maybe not. Well, not that one. This one? Yep.
Order filled.
Alright, so all these are closed out. Here's a big account here. I'll just trade this one. I'm not going to copy trade no more tonight. I'm going to leave my copy trading for the New York session. That's it. I don't want to copy trade Asia and then lose $200-300 on each account. You know what I'm saying? All right, come on, gold. Show us what you got. Back up to $1,500 in freaking drawdown. Let's fucking go. I'm going to put a buy right here. Safeguard this position since I'm in a good position. And let it roll. If it hits it, it hits it. If it don't, I'm back to where I need to be, guys. I almost blew this account. You know what? I'm getting out.
Order filled.
I'm getting out of that play. Let's go. Before that screw up, I was at 26,000, 1,200. Now I'm at 26,400. Let's go, man. That really looked like a shitty entry, what it was. But thank God I had these exponential moving averages to hold it as a resistance, guys. And look, that was a heavy play on gold for the Asian session. I'm never going to do it again. Well, I lied. I'll probably do it again, but not tonight. Not tonight. Anyway, thankfully, thank God, it worked out in my manner. So, good job. The first day I traded futures about 2 weeks ago, I lost 1,000 almost immediately. If I would have waited on a couple hours later, I would have been highly profitable. But I can't stomach the swings. Damn, you just made 700. So starting off with futures, my friend, it doesn't matter if you're trading the ES, the Russell, the Dow, gold, silver, platinum. It doesn't matter. Trade micros. Get used to how that asset works, right? Don't trade everything under the sun. Don't trade gold. Don't trade NQ, ES, Dow, feed, copper. Pick one thing, learn how it works, and trade that one asset and that one asset alone, right? When you get good at it, then you can trade two at a time, right? Like I can trade Nasdaq and gold at the same time. I have no problem with doing it. I may be over leveraged or get into a premature position, but I kind of know where it's going to go generally in the long term. Meaning long term, I mean in between tonight and tomorrow during like the New York lunch session, right? If I say NQ is going to go to 24,960, I don't mean tonight. I mean by tomorrow lunchtime, right? So you just have to get the screen time. I don't really recommend paper trading because you're just spinning your wheels. I recommend getting into a funded account or put your own money in a Tradovate account and trade small, because when you trade a paper account, there's zero emotions involved, and you don't learn that way, right? You don't learn swimming by doing this on dry land, right? You learn swimming by getting in the fucking water and swimming. So I don't recommend paper trading. Now, paper trading's cool if you just want to mess around, but if you're gonna learn, you have to have that emotion attached to the trade in order for you to actually learn. That's just my own personal opinion. I still paper trade. My personal account, I have a account attached to it that's for paper. And if I trade paper account, I tell people, hey, this isn't a real account. This is a paper trading account. It's just for fun, right? Because you do have these YouTube people who won't show their full screen, but they'll show like a P&L, but like they won't show like this is an Apex eval, right? But if you go to my Take Profit, this is a Take Profit Pro account, so this is a funded account. They'll have all this not even visible to the eye, and you'll think they're making 20 grand when actually they're just paper trading, and it really doesn't mean anything. So paper trading's cool if you just want to mess around, but if you want to learn and you want to, part of learning is emotions, and when you're in a trade, it's real emotions in it, right? So you want to trade that way, but on a micro scale. So one NQ, one micro NQ, two micro NQs. My rule of thumb, if you do have a funded account, or if you do have like your own money in a funded account, every $400 worth of equity you have in there, you want to trade one micro. So if you have $800 of equity, you can trade two micros, and so on and so on and so on. But that's just me. Anyway, all right, what we doing? Deco, what's up, Deco? How we doing? How we doing? All right, so let me make sure I have no open accounts on this account or this account. All right. So no open accounts there. So we have gold. Let me take this 3 off and put it at a 1, just in case I accidentally press something. It doesn't put me into 3 golds again. And we'll go back to this account here. Nothing's open. You can see out of these accounts, I have nothing, no shorts and no longs. And let me bring Nasdaq over. I'm going to go long on Nasdaq on this account here with 4 micros. I'm going to do 4 micros on Nasdaq.
Order filled.
And I'm going to let this thing ride. Let's draw the orb on micro Nasdaq, because I don't have an orb drawn here. Shapes, rectangle. Where's my 5 o'clock candle? Here it is. Top of the 5 to the bottom of the 5. So we're well above orb. break it down to a 1 minute. And I'm going to extend the orb out there. I'm going to lock that in place. All right, so now I can go to a 5-minute candle. All right, there we go. Daco. On January 30th, I had 20K and all call options on gold and silver. Now it plummeted to 11K. Should I keep holding these call options? What's your expiration date on those options? That's the key question. And what's your strike price? A, what's your strike price? And B, what's your expiration? Because we can zoom out on a gold. We'll zoom out on gold chart real quick. Let me break this down to a 1 chart. And we'll bring up my Fibonacci. And I'll let you know what I think. Now, look, I'm not perfect. So take what I say with a grain of salt. Now, I know what I'm talking about here and there. But I'm not a guru, so I'm not Warren Buffett or whatever, so trust me. And we're going to go to let's do a 3-month. All right. So a 3-month ain't telling us shit, honestly. It's just saying we're going up. All right, so let's break it down. Let's go to a 1-month. All right. 1 month, we broke past the 0.618 fib. We retraced, right? We started down here, 48.15. We came up to 5. We went all the way to 51.47. And now we're back down to 50.16, okay? So we're bullish on the month. Let's go to a week. January 27th of 2027, and you have a 560 strike price on gold. You got a strike price at 560 bucks on gold? That's a good strike price. You're in the money on that strike price. If you're long, right? If you're in a call, you're in the money. But if you're in a put, you're not in the money. All right, let me look at the ticker symbol. Hold on, give me a second. So you're an SPDR Gold Trust. Is that the trust that you have the option on? SPDR? Okay. So you're in the money. If you're in a call, you're in the money. Oh, SDPR. I'm looking at SPDR. Right. And the price, now let's get this correct. The price of that is at $98.91, correct? It's a mini share. Let's break this down. So you can see we had this liquidity candle go all the way up here to the 1 fib, right? Found liquidity, guess what? Now we're back down here. This weekly candle closed here. This weekly candle opened here, went all the way down, then went all the way up, closed here. Then this weekly candle opened up higher than this weekly candle, went up, went down a little bit to like right there, and then closed here. So now, the week that we're on currently, right, we went all the way down, came up a little bit, but now we're here. And your expiration is the January of 2027. SPDR. I'm looking at a different one then. No, I'm looking at it. Hold on. Regardless, it don't matter. Okay. So I honestly believe you're good just because you do have what you have is what's called a leap. So a leap is pretty much an option that expires, several months to several years out. You're good on that, man. You're good on that. So if you look right here, we already have our pullback, right? It went up, we had a pullback, boom, 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 went all the way up to all-time high. We pretty much had a 50% pullback from where it was back here, right? We go up, that's roughly 50%. I say we make the same highs as we did, right? 5,600 bucks. I don't know, in the next 5 months, if not shorter than that. Even though we are in supply at this Fibonacci retracement level of 0.618, I think we may fall down back to the 0.5 fib at 49.26. Find our support, because look, we found support already once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. We may hit it a 5th time, but this daily candle that we're on now is higher than this body's daily candle, and it's pretty much above this candle, the body of this one, right? If tomorrow closes here, I don't foresee it coming back down to 4,900. Now, if by Monday or Tuesday we're back down to this level here, maybe 49.70, I could see us pulling back down to 49.26, 49.24 on this fib, and then pouncing back. But anything can happen, man. That's just the way you have to look at it. Like, it's not 50-50, it goes up or goes down. There's macroeconomics that play into how gold trades. It's not just like, oh, gold, gold doesn't have an earnings date, right? So you can't predict certain things for gold. Macroeconomics is what really messes with the price of gold. But just by looking at it right now, and it being Friday, well, almost Friday, I'm saying we're going to go up. Unless, like I said, Monday or Tuesday, if it winds up back down to like 49.7, 49.6, expect it to fall back to 49.2 and then pop. That's about all I can say on that. If that helps a little bit, I don't know. Who knows? Anyway. Oh, I'm in with 4 micros here. Shoot. Oh, just Yeah. Personally, I think gold is a sure thing in the next year. I could even see us making newer highs, right? our high was 5,600 and some change, right? 5,630, whatever it was. I could see us possibly going to 6,000 in the next 6-7 months. Possibly. Maybe not that high, but it could possibly get that high. And that's just based off of the Fibonacci retracement levels, right? I'm not just calling that number out of my ass, right? I have a fib level for those. So this was the last place it went, right? Notice the fib level right here at 56. What's the next fib level? 58. And then the next fib level after that is 6,000. So 6,000 is doable. 100% doable. And these things right here, these are just for short term. So basically, we're in a sell right now on gold. Gold's going to fall a little bit before it retraces back up. Oh man, my phone's only got 12% charge left. All right, I'm gonna get into a full size on NQ. Let's do 2.
Order filled.
2 full sizes on the Nasdaq, y'all. This is just an eval. This one right here is just an eval. So if I lose a little bit, it ain't nothing to it. Nothing to it but to do it. Diego, do you know about the website optionsprofitcalculator.com? Options Profit Calculator? That's a good website to go look at. What it is, you go to the website. I'll show you. We'll do it right now. I'm pretty sure you may have heard of it. I don't know. And we'll plug your ticker symbol in there. We'll see what the outcome is, right? How many positions do you have on your call options? SPDR, right? We'll go to long calls, 2027. If my computer stops screwing up. All right, here we go. What is this? This is probably messing me up. Come on. What is going on? SPDR. Gold. Well, let's just try that. I don't think that's gonna be it because there's a bunch of spiders. I'll call them spiders. I'd have to add the actual ticker symbol. Hold on. Yeah, I know. GLD is the ticker symbol for that. GLD. All right, get price. No, that ain't it, because you said it was, what, 30 bucks? Okay, so that is it. Okay. All right, so you bought 2. We're going to go to 2 contracts. And we're going to go to expiration of 27, right? What did you say? January 27, 27. Let's just go to this one, right? And your strike, what's your strike price? You said it was 50 something? Let me get rid of this stupid thing here. Skip. Oh, come on. What the fuck is going on with my computer? It's these stupid pop-ups screwing my stuff up. It's aggravating. All right. So we got that right. The strike price, I think you said, was 50 on a call. I don't see a 50 strike on here, buddy. Oh, 560. My bad. I don't know where I got 50 from. Something's making my computer not fucking act right. I think it's these stupid pop-ups. All right, so 560. There we go. 22.15. It costs you roughly. It's worth 44.30 right now, basically. So you go to agree and you go to calculate. Yeah, something's making my computer fucking go slow. I don't know what it is. My computer's froze. I don't know if y'all can hear me on the live stream. What the fuck is going on? Now my mouse is froze. Dude, what is going on? Alright, so my live stream's still going. But my computer is non-active, non-reactive. Well, guys, I apologize for what's going on, but my computer is not. I can't even control my other monitors. Yeah, so I got my live stream on my phone because now I can see the chats. I can't even see my chats on my other screen. Something made my computer get all jacked up. Nothing's working. Oh, this is bullshit. Let me try Control-Alt-Delete. If that's even still a thing, right? This is making me very highly upset. If the live stream goes down, guys, I apologize. I'll just have to start another one. three of my monitors just stopped working.